Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring one of Utah's hidden gems, the Sand Cave, located near Kanab. This spot is perfect for quick and easy adventure if you are looking to add something unique to your Utah vacation. So stay with us and enjoy the fun. Also don't miss the end part as we will share very important few tips that worth knowing if you are planning to visit the Sand Cave. So let's begin the adventure. The Sand Cave is super easy to find and it's located just few minutes outside of Kanab. You need to head north on Highway 89 and about 5 miles you will see parking pull off on the right side. You will know you are close when you spot the massive red cliffs. It's just a short hike from here to reach the cave. The best part about this adventure is that the hike is super short and accessible. It's only about a 10-minute walk from the parking area. You will be walking on a sandy trail that gently inclines towards Rocky and Sandy Mountain and then towards the Sand Cave entrance. And as you approach, the view just keeps getting better. While walking the trail, let me share you some fun facts about the Sand Cave. Actually, it wasn't formed naturally. Back in 1970, it was a part of a sand mining operation. Workers carved out sections of the cliffs, leaving behind this amazing cave. Now it's a popular spot for photographers and travelers like us. To get the best light for photos, try visiting the cave in the morning or late afternoon when the sun isn't directly overhead. The softer lighting during these times really enhances the colors of the sandstone and makes the perfect golden hour glow.
Road is narrow but अच्छे नहीं? There's already a print, so you don't have to worry about trail or anything. Just keep walking, eh?
Before you visit the sand cave, here are the few quick tips to make sure you have a great time. The very first and most important is to wear sturdy hiking shoes. Although it's a short hike, the sand makes the mountain slippery. Second, bring plenty of water, especially if you are visiting in the hotter months. While climbing, stay close and low to the ground for safety and good balance, because standing and climbing can disturb your grip and turn into disaster. The fourth one, whenever you lose balance, immediately stop moving and find the good grip and then start again. The fifth tip is ask for help if you need help before it gets very late. We did so. We asked people around us to keep helping hands ready in case we need. That's the best thing to do.
Okay, bache.
The sixth tip is if you're traveling with kids and if it's possible for you, carry helmet for kids with you. And the last one is keep less weight on your backpack, which will help you to balance your body and smooth your hiking.
That's where we're gonna go. I'm behind you guys, go. अभी स्टीफी ना स्टार्ट होने वाला है समझा जिगजैग इधर से जाने का इधर से ही हाँ तुम्हें चलो ऊपर यही है इधर से ऊपर जाने का है बस उधर से ना रास्ता है एडिन जहाँ पे
If there is a nice hiking store, shoe store in the city, we will buy for you.
Go.
I need to drink this one.
Yeah.
But have a straw.
Mm-hmm.
Check this out. Once you are inside the cave, you will be surrounded by these soft and smooth walls of sandstone. The way sunlight filters in makes the cave walls glow with many shades like orange, pink, and red. It's absolutely stunning and makes photos incredible. So don't forget your camera.
Woo! We made it to the cave. Unbelievable.
माउंटेन गोट नहीं होती है
हाँ
किधर है ना
हाँ देख तो सही ऊपर से तो कितना नीचे लग रहा है
वो बहुत क्लोज नहीं जाने जैसे जगह पे इधर व्यू also this is the cave it means animals were living here.
If you are looking for more adventure, there is plenty to see nearby. Either you can check out the belly of the dragon on our channel or another nearby cool cave, which is Tunnel, just few miles away from the sand cave, or visit the coral pink sand dunes for some fun off-roading and sandboarding. Believe me, southern Utah is full of amazing spots like this. Thanks for joining me on this quick trip to the sand cave. Whether you are passing through the canab or planning a full
वही है
southern
मैंने
Utah road trip, this spot is definitely
इधर से लिया
worth the
था
stop. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and adventure. Until next time, happy exploring!